Hello there everybody, fellow shavers. I'm going to do a quick video. This is Brian Sharp, by the way, aka Sharp Spine. I'm going to be using Catie's Bubbles Jardin d'Or or Golden Garden. This is Chris's take on honeysuckle that Adam McLaughlin asked him to make. It's an excellent soap. So people have been asking how I lather. I do a face lather. I use the Plisson synthetic brush. It is completely dry. I've been soaking the top of the Jardin d'Or for just about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and start lathering on the puck, loading it up. So there was no water whatsoever on the brush, and just a little bit that soaked on top, which I dumped the pooled water off the puck. And now I'm just loading on it. I would not recommend you do this with a badger or a boar brush completely dry, because those hairs will break. Now that is a bit dry. I'm going to add a little more water just to the top of the puck. There we go. So I probably should have let it soak just a bit longer. I usually soak it while I'm in the shower, which can be 10 minutes or so. I take my time in the shower. There we go. Alright. So I've got a nice load on the Plisson brush. My face is dry. I'm just going to dip down here, put some water on my face, as much as it can hold on there. Alright, here we go. So I like to get a nice base coat all around my face, and it's pretty dry, still dry. So I just turn a trickle on the water. I run the brush under the water real quickly, and then we just add water to the mix. I lather this way to keep air out of my lather. An airy lather is unstable for me in my hard water, and if I add water too quickly, it gets too airy. Now we're starting to get a nice thick lather. Still too dry. And this is just about how I like it. So you can see, not a very fluffy lather at all, yet my face is very thickly coated with a dense lather that is wet, but not too wet. It's going to be super slick. And watch how much is still in this brush. That is awesome lather right there. So that's my face lathering technique. Dry loading the Plisson synthetic brush on pretty much any soap. I've done this on Tiki, Catie's Bubbles. What else do I use? The Dapper Dragon works great on. Martin de Condre works really well. And then of course the new Soap Commander soaps works excellent on there. So wonderful products out there. Definitely try this with your synthetics. Again, if you have a badger boar, soak it, get it wet, shake as much water out of it as you can. and then load up, and then just add your water a little at a time. You can get a nice, dense ultra lather. That's what Brian Crampert and I call it. Super slick, very cushiony. Will just give you a great shave each and every time. All right. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Y'all have a great day.